Yeah, I can probably make that work. Hell, I'll come up with some bullshit excuse. They'll buy it. Hang on just a second. Yeah, what is it? Well, when the guy that signs our checks calls, I answer. Yeah, it's part of my job too. Give me a sec, I'll be out there. Fuck, it's hot out there. Alright, babe, I gotta get back to work. Eight-letter word for someone you don't like. Well, guys, give me just a minute. I'm trying to fill out your hot work permit. I'll be in there in just a minute. Hell, coworker fits. Shit. Yeah, boss. Well, I don't know why the GPS says my truck's running right now. But give me a minute, I'll run out there and check, see if it is. All right, I'll holler back at you.